Today, it's the coldness of the bathroom floor. Yesterday, it was the fears that followed me to the corner store. I've survived a lot. But some days I feel like I don't want to survive anymore. And on those days, I ask myself questions like, what am I surviving for? That question came straight from the core. And for a moment, it left me crippled in the corner on the bathroom floor, struggling to breathe under the realization that I need more, and the weight of the emptiness in what I had settled for. I had questions that leaped like hopes in search for answers I feared would only be met by cruel jokes. So I held them close to my chest and I suffocated them under the weight of my best intentions. Because I couldn't survive them being choked by ropes left loose. I didn't want to look at any possible future through the loop of a noose. But I did want to ask these questions out loud. So maybe by some miracle, their answers would find me through this cloud. I wanted God in on this conversation. I wanted to know the answer to this one question recitation. To the weary mothers, was it enough to get up every morning just to go to sleep hopeless every night? Or was the hope you had worth the daily fight? The children you gave birth to or claimed along the way as yours, was it enough to love them to then have to let them go? Or did you regret ever knowing a love you weren't ever able to let go? To the lonely souls, did you love the ones you laid with? And did they love you back? Or were they just there for the winters, a hand to scratch your back? Was it enough that they were there, although you knew it was only because of fear? No one wants to be alone, but a pulse doesn't mean someone's home. If you were lucky enough to have known love, was it worth the call? Did you do your duty? And was it worth it all? To the retired and the tired, were these years a gift? Were they bitter or sweet? Would you wish to do them over Or do you count them as complete? For the depths you paid, have you gotten a receipt? Have you been rewarded for the callus on your feet? To the grandmothers and fathers, are you satisfied with how your seeds have grown? Or are they just disappointing reminders of things you must atone? Was it enough? When you look back around, did the rewards outweigh the sacrifices? Or were the costs too brown? Did you live life your way? Did you live it all? Or were you just existing to be at someone's beck and call? Was the trip here worth it? To breathe this earthly air? Was it enough? I need you to be clear, just as I need God to show me what I'm still doing here.